Hello, this is Annette from needlepointers.com. Fidget quilts are the community service project that the guild I belong to are making this year. Here are 3 that I have completed. Now I would like to show you some of the things that I put on the fidget quilts. Zippers are an excellent thing to put onto fidget quilts. They don't have to have a pocket. You can just sew them right on to the fabric. Also, ribbon that they can put their hands under make for very interesting things for them. Here is a little surprise inside of this little pocket. Here is just some prairie points that I put on that they can open and close. In the corner up here, these are ponytail ties that are elastic that can be pulled. Any type of ribbon would be nice, and here I have just some rings on, and this is a little surprise inside. I made a Velcro closure that they can open up and close with a little surprise inside. For this fidget quilt, I had an old pair of jeans that I decided to recycle. So I took the pocket and I sewed the pocket on. I also then sewed and stuffed a little thing that you can put inside the pocket. I took the belt and sewed it onto here so that they can open and close the button, and this one is extremely easy to do. Here I just sewed on some buttons with some ribbon, and I happen to have a bell, so I thought that I'd sew a bell onto this one, along with, in this corner, are some beads for them to play with. On this fidget quilt, I did some of the same things I did before, but here you see I put yo-yos with buttons and some lace. Over here, I just did a square, and then I put Velcro on it so that they can open and close it, but it's attached so that they won't be able to lose it when they're playing with it. And here is just some ribbon that I thought would be nice to hang. I hope you enjoyed seeing the fidget quilts that I made. Go to our website and I'll have close-up pictures of some of the various techniques and features that I used on the fidget quilts. Did you like this video? Please like, share, and comment. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. To follow us, visit our website by clicking the iCard or the link in the description below. Our website, needlepointers.com, is a great source for sewing information, free projects, and tutorials.